Hi guys, it's Dale with the insurance. Today we're talking about an article that it's unfortunate, but carriers do have the right to do this. So the title is "What happens if my car insurance is canceled?" Right? And the article is good because the differentiating factor is people confuse cancellation with non-renewal, right? Both are bad, but one is, we would argue, worse than the other. Non-renewal is it's almost both are business decisions from the carrier standpoint, but non-renewals happen every time, like all the time, right? Especially in kind of hard markets where you hear on the news insurance carriers aren't making money, so they are backing out of certain states because whatever state like California won't allow insurance companies to raise rates for the amount that they want to raise, right? So they may start curbing how many new drivers they put on the books each year, right? And they may even start non-renewing those drivers that their data shows are high risk, right? Maybe those that are under 21, or those that have more than 2 accidents in the past 3 years, things like that. So non-renewal is almost not your fault, right? Like majority of the time. Obviously, if you get a DUI or you have like 3 accidents in 1 year, then something could be going on. Cancellation, on the other hand, is that happens mid-policy, right? And once again, you're in a contract with a company, right? A contract legally binding with a company. You pay a premium for the service of insurance, right? So they can't, like, mid-contract, they're both of you are bound by this contract. So mid-contract, they can't just say, you know what, we made a mistake, we want to cancel your policy. They have to have a legitimate reason stipulated in that contract. One of those reasons is if you lied, right? That's outright perjury. It's breaking the bounds of the contract. They then have grounds to cancel your policy, right? Another one that's talked about in the article is non-payment. Obviously, that breaks the rules of the contract, right? You promise to pay either monthly or annually for the service of insurance. Once you stop paying, you've broke the rules of the contract. They can cancel at that point. So assuming you don't give the carrier a reason to cancel, right? Or even the ability to cancel, right? Then their arms are tied, legally speaking, right? Like they can't cancel it if you're paying your premium on time. All they can do is non-renew if they deem you to be a high risk driver, right? And not a profitable client. They can do that. Let's say you do get canceled, you obviously don't want your insurance to lapse, so you need to hop on it very, very quickly, right? And they'll give you, it's stipulated in the contract, they'll give you a grace period, amount of time to let you know, like, hey, you're being canceled for non-payment at such and such date. You just need to make sure that you either are in contact with your current carrier to let them know that payment is coming, or you have another carrier waiting in the wings. If you do not, and I'm happy the article touched on this, if you do not and you have a car payment, then obviously the finance company that also has an interest in that vehicle, that's their asset as well, right? Because you finance the car, they've put up cash for that asset, they will insure it. And their insurance, more often than not, will be more expensive than what you find. And they will then add that insurance cost to your mortgage payment. And you just dig a deeper hole for yourself at that point. So keep that in mind as well. So great article. Obviously, if you're looking at, hey, can my insurance be canceled? That's not a good situation, but have your antennas up and then read the contract to understand what can allow an insurance company to cancel your policy. Okay? Hopefully this was helpful, guys. Thanks for stopping by. We'll chat next week. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. And if you really liked it, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. We love hearing from you. We love hearing from our viewers. So be sure to leave a comment below with your thoughts on this video, and we'll see you in the next one.